Welcome guys. To solve this equation, let's take log 2 of both sides. Therefore, we have log 2 to the power of y plus 3 base 2 to be equals log 3 to the power of y plus 2 then base 2. So we know that log 2 base 2 cancels out. Therefore, we'll be left with y plus 3 and it equals, this comes behind the logarithm y plus 2 then multiplied by log 3 base 2. Since log 3 base 2 is a constant, we can just say let log 3 base 2 equals k. Therefore, we write as y plus 3 equals y plus 2 then times k. So then we divide both sides by y plus 2. And we know that this cancels this. And then we're going to be left with y plus 3 equals k times y plus 2. That's after cross multiplying. Then we go ahead to expand the bracket and we have ky plus 2k, and then we collect like terms y minus ky equals 2k minus 3. And then when we factor out y, we have this to be equals 2k minus 3. And then we go ahead to divide both sides by 1 minus k. 1 minus k cancels 1 minus k. And then moving further, we would have y to be equals 2k minus 3 all over 1 minus k. And don't forget our substitution. We know that k equals log 3 base 2 then minus 3 all over 1 minus log 3 base 2. Now this can be our final answer, but if you want a more approximate answer, you can say y is approximately equal, then input this into your calculator, minus 0.29049. Correct.